Hey everybody, Darren Ducart here with the Luchek Group and Keller Williams Client's Choice Realty. I'm in front of my newest listing here at 6962 Silverwind Circle. Let's go check it out. The Greenhaven neighborhood is a John Lane community and it has its own park and gazebo. It's also super close to the trail system. We're right near Powers and Woodman with the hospital, shopping, and entertainment super close. As we come in through the front door, you are immediately greeted with this open concept floor plan. Your family room has brand new carpet and a fresh coat of paint. Look at these amazing windows that let in all the morning sun. Ample space to entertain, as well as this gas fireplace. Even with the openness of this main level, you do still have a distinct separation between the family room and the kitchen with these arched walkways and this desk area that's perfect for kids doing homework or even a makeshift office space. This kitchen is bright and updated and has plenty of storage space in all these cupboards and this huge pantry. Stainless steel appliances and this large island make for a happy chef in this kitchen. Tucked back between your kitchen and your two-car garage, you have a half bath and your laundry room. As we head upstairs, the first thing you'll notice is that there is plenty of additional storage right here with this built-in cabinet. Immediately to the right, you have this updated bathroom with brand new flooring, a new vanity, sink, and toilet. Then we have two of our three upstairs bedrooms, which are quite large with great closet spaces. As we head into the primary suite, you again have a ton of space, new paint and carpeting throughout, and this gorgeous bathroom. Separate tub and shower, double vanities where you will never bump elbows getting ready, and a separate toilet room and this huge walk-in closet. This is a dream primary suite. Now that we've taken a look upstairs, let's head on down to the basement. Down here you have your fourth bedroom, an additional full bathroom, storage closets, and space to have a kids play area, poker and pool tables, or my favorite, a golf simulator. As we head out to the backyard, you have this spacious deck, evergreen trees to provide a little more privacy from your neighbors, and a low-maintenance turfed yard for kids to play on. Thanks again for taking the time to tour this property with me, and if you have any questions or would like a personal tour of this property, don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can call me at 719-287-3190, or you can visit our website at www.makespringshome.com. Thanks and have a great day.